I got married in May 2021, and this is what I did with my flowers. I tried 2 different methods of preservation. The first was pressing flowers in the microwave. The second was pressing them in a book. You can see here that the flowers vary depending on the method used. So microwave flowers tend to have a bit more color and are also smaller. Flowers pressed in a book are bigger and lay much flatter. Once my flowers were preserved, I decided to incorporate them with one of our wedding photos. I used a floating frame, a print, and double-sided tape to help the photo stay in place. You won't have to tape your flowers in place, just your photo. Wipe down your glass to remove any dust or fingerprints, and then place your photo in the center of the frame. After that, it's really just a matter of playing with the flowers. Dried flowers are extremely delicate, so be careful when handling. I found it easier to hover the flower over the photo before I knew for sure that's where I wanted the placement. That just means there's less picking up and putting back down involved. So I tried to match the flowers to the print the best that I could. Because the microwave flowers were smaller, they worked best for this frame. Once your flowers are where you'd like them to be, wipe down the glass one more time just to remove any debris and then close the frame. Display and enjoy. To extend the life of your flowers, hang your piece out of direct sunlight. Be sure to check out our wedding video to see the flowers in full bloom, and let me know if you have any questions about the project or preserving flowers.